It's often said in China, if you want to see the past, visit Beijing, the present Shanghai, but to see China, and possibly the world's future, one must visit Shenzhen. Originally a quiet fishing village in China's Pearl River Delta, Shenzhen is now one of China's main financial centers. With a mere population of 30,000 people in 1980, Shenzhen was established as China's first special economic zone. Shenzhen has been the fastest growing city on the planet the last 4 decades and is now home to over 12 million residents. With year-round sunny weather, Shenzhen is home to dozens of championship golf courses, including Mission Hills, the largest golf resort in the world. Shenzhen is the only large city in mainland China with the same urban and municipal population. That means that 100% of its residents live within the urban area. Shenzhen's popular Window of the World theme park consists of famous replica buildings from around the globe, including a 1/3 scale Eiffel Tower. This is Shenzhen.